復必泰、科興定係阿斯利康？大家有冇諗過疫苗其實邊一款先至係保障到你嘅健康？今日就喺度等我講少少關於幾種疫苗嘅比較俾你哋分析一下啦。而家市面上面最出名嘅3種疫苗有 Biontech、科興同埋英國嘅阿斯利康。疫苗會唔會真係導致血栓？好多人都聽過阿斯利康係已經有500萬人接種嘅疫苗，50個國家認可。但係更多人聽過嘅可能係阿斯利康呢一隻疫苗會導致血栓，又係咪真嘅呢？經流行病學家 Tobias Curve 就話，暫時認為疫苗對凝血問題冇任何影響。
Some of the vaccines, or with this specific batch that is currently under investigation, what I know right now, it does not look that this is the cause. And what we also need to understand is that COVID, the disease COVID, obviously also induces clotting of the body, and this risk is much higher than what we can estimate. From the understanding that I have, I do not think that there is a massive effect of the vaccine on the clotting system.
而預防症狀感染有效率呢，亦都去到76%，因為新冠病毒自己本身就會令到凝血有問題出現。呢一個流行病學家呢，就話，其實同疫苗冇直接關係，亦都鼓勵人接種。但係已經有大部分嘅國家都已經停止引入，而呢一隻疫苗有咁強嘅副作用，當然令人擔心啦。而另外一隻由德美新研發嘅呢一隻 mRNA 信使核糖核酸疫苗，佢係一隻令細胞會生產一種同新冠病毒相似嘅蛋白質嘅疫苗。當身體嘅免疫系統發現呢一隻蛋白質嘅時候，就可以製造一個防疫嘅效果，可以高達95% 㗎。全球呢已經差唔多有9600萬人接種完2針，佔總人口嘅29.3% 啊。英國呢有研究顯示呢，1針注射之後呢，可以使重症發病率減少80% 啊。
When a virus enters your body, it will attach itself to one of your cells and inject its DNA or RNA into it. This is like a blueprint for your cells, containing instructions on what the cell has to make. So in this case, the virus's RNA will tell your cell to make more copies of the same virus. They become factories assembling new copies of the virus that can infect even more cells. But don't worry, our bodies have a defense system for foreign intruders. The immune system attacks any protein, virus, or bacteria that does not belong in our bodies, but it takes a few days for it to learn how to attack the intruder. Meanwhile, the virus factories are running non-stop, quickly replicating the virus and spreading it in your body. In other words, you start experiencing symptoms of whatever has infected you. After a few days, however, your immune system will have figured out how to attack the virus and will start producing antibodies. These attach themselves to the virus, preventing them from infecting more cells and marking them for destruction. As you can see, the immune system is remarkable, but it's slow to mount an attack. That is the reason why we can get sick in the first place. So to give it a helping hand, we developed vaccines. The main idea is to train your immune system to recognize and fight off an infection before it has occurred. Almost like showing your immune system a mugshot of the virus and saying, if you see this, kill it. There are various types of vaccines, but let's take a look at the new kid on the block, mRNA vaccines. To understand how they work, let's take the COVID-19 pandemic as an example. You might have seen pictures of the virus with its distinctive spikes. These spikes allow the virus to attach to specific cells in your body and infect them. Now, here's the key idea for the COVID-19 vaccine. What if we could train our immune system to recognize these spikes by having our own bodies produce them? To do that, researchers took the virus's blueprint, its RNA, and isolated the part responsible for producing the spikes. Armed with this blueprint, they created mRNA or messenger RNA.
喺個疫苗入邊咧，佢打咗入去你哋嘅細胞度啦，咁等佢咧知道點樣去製造一個類似呢一個新冠病毒嘅一啲 DNA， 咁等細胞咧認得佢。咁呢一啲其實只不過係你自己細胞做出嚟嘅一啲病毒嘅類似嘅 DNA。
Again, it takes some time for the immune system to fight off these spikes, but you won't get sick because it's only the spikes, not the virus itself. And that's it. Your immune system has learned
知道點樣去攻擊呢一啲細菌同埋病毒咯。
The only thing left in your body are special B cells or memory cells. These can linger around for months or years until the same virus infects you again. When that happens, the B cells can produce the correct antibodies right away, preventing the virus from spreading and making you sick. What's interesting about this mRNA technique is that it's relatively quick to develop a vaccine as soon as we know the DNA or RNA sequence of a virus. And secondly, because the vaccine only makes our bodies produce a tiny part of a virus, we cannot get sick from it.
要唔要打疫苗？定係等疫情慢慢消失呢？美國食品同埋藥物管理局呢2月底就批准咗強生公司呢研發嘅新冠疫苗啊，湯森 Covid-19 啊，只係需要注射1針，苗呢仲可以喺常規嘅冰箱溫度下面儲存，適用呢18歲以上嘅成年人啊。強生公司呢就承諾6月底之前會為美國呢生產1億劑嘅疫苗啊。呢個係美國第3種投入接種嘅疫苗啊。咁呢講返香港而家呢最熱門嘅科興啦，佢係一隻滅活嘅疫苗啊。咁其實傳統嘅做法都係將一啲已經死咗嘅病毒呢放入去人體入邊，等個免疫系統呢可以提早發現呢一個病毒。
滅活疫苗裏面嘅新冠病毒呢已經死亡㗎啦。唔能夠喺體內繁殖或者係致病。喺香港計劃引入嘅滅活新冠疫苗呢，係北京科興生物出產嘅 Coronavac 疫苗。呢款疫苗每次接種係0.5毫升，分2次注射。而呢款疫苗亦都可以喺攝氏2至8度之間儲存。已知嘅副作用包括發燒啦、針口痛啦。
咁呢一隻疫苗呢係達到79.34%，暫時都唔係算係好高。如果你哋呢有留意呢幾種疫苗嘅話呢，其實呢新嘅研製 Biontech 呢都唔係一個差嘅選擇嚟㗎。雖然話呢其實佢呢未係一個成熟嘅研究啦，咁但係呢喺呢個全球化嘅表現底下呢，都可信度非常之高啊！暫時屬於係最高防效嘅一種疫苗啊！世衛組織呢，本身其實呢就冇審批藥物嘅角色嘅，世衛呢只係納入疫苗呢係咪能夠加入共享機制啊？咁其實就冇證明或者反映呢一啲疫苗嘅安全性㗎。咁英國嘅阿斯利康啦，中國嘅科興啦，或者係德國、美國嘅Biontech呢，其實超過1/8000嘅接種人士呢係出現咗一啲好或者好差嘅反應啦。咁 Biontech 呢，其實因為呢接種人數更多啦，佢就有4.7%個人呢係有呢一啲嘅副作用㗎。唔接種呢就好睇你自己個人嘅意見嘅。如果你仲未決定好呢，會唔會去注射疫苗呢？我諗都要聽下更多意見啊！
我哋而家唔係話即係個疫苗呢係會有長期病去發病，或者令到佢惡化起嚟。因為而家暫時真係未有一個確實嘅數據呢去説明呢樣嘢。譬如我哋先講嗰2隻嚟咗香港先啦。 其實都已經係即係經過科學委員會去審批咗啦，即係可以嚟到我哋香港啦，緊急使用啦。佢哋提供嘅數據覺得係可以俾市民接種嘅。
呢度嘅資料呢都係只供參考。中意呢條影片嘅話就 follow 我哋。如果想了解更多其他資訊，都可以喺下邊嘅 comment 度話俾我知㗎。